This is a video of all my foster kittens. This one right here is Home Slice, this beautiful silver gray tabby. Home Slice. That's Home Slice. This one in the front is Chucker. The one behind her is Welvin. He's the only boy in the group. This brown tabby is Catastrophe. And then those two gray cats, one is Frostbite and one is Friendly Fire. They look almost identical, but not exactly the same. Here they are, they're just hanging out. They're all really, really nice cats. They've been super well socialized. They've had a lot of different people. They've had kids. They've interacted with other cats, and everybody's really, really nice. Let's see if they... Here we've got a cat. Here we got Frostbite and Welvin. And there's Chucker. There's Catastrophe. Hey guys, you want to show off one of your trees? So they've been with me for about 3 months. They are ready to go home really soon. They're really nice that when you come out, when you open the room, usually they stay in that room over there. They all come running to greet you, which is really nice. You can read more about their personalities in their adoption profiles. We have all of them here except for little Chucker. Hey, Chucker! You just want to come hang out, I guess. Not interested in the laser toy. And there's our kittens. They're all available for adoption. And I worked with them a lot, and I really hope they all get really good homes. They're all super, super sweet. And that's it. You guys want to say adopt me? Adopt me. Right, Chucks? You gonna get adopted? Oh, you guys want to get adopted? Yeah? Yeah. Good luck, guys.